friends, welcome back to my channel. So today's the day that we choose the winner for my paper collection, Mon Atelier or Atelier Curiosities, which means basically curiosities in my shop, and Mon Atelier is French for my shop, or my for us it would be my craft room. Okay, so the winner is going to get a mini album that I made using my dies from KS Craft, and they're also going to get a copy of the Atelier Curiosities collection. I'm sorry, I haven't slept for the past, I've been awake for the past 24 hours, let's say. Okay. So, yeah, without further ado, let's go ahead and do a flip through. Alrighty, so before I package this and put everything that's supposed to go with this, I want to do a flip through of the Atelier Curiosities paper collection by yours truly, Decorate Your Life. This collection has 14 illustrations. It is printed on 65-pound cardstock. It is good quality cardstock that is both lignin and acid free, and you get a total of 28 sheets. They are one-sided sheets is how I print these, and so this is the cover page of the collection. My collections always come with a cover page, and so many ladies love the cover page because they can also use it in other projects like tags in your journals or anything, just about anything that they wish to add to their paper crafting projects. So you're always going to get the top page, which is the cover page, and it gives you a few of the samples of what is included inside. So we have our cover page, and here is this page right here. It says Mon Atelier, which is pretty much my shop, and you will find that with this collection and with most of my collections, you have not identical sheets, but you have, like, for example, this is the main sheet. As you'll see, it's a Mon Atelier just like here, and it also has the straps that go down below. And what inspired me for these straps over here is, like, you know how when we gift presents, and normally you would have like this gold elastic thing in the box that goes in one way and then you flip it up another way and it looks really cute. That's what inspired me to do this right here. So we have two sheets like so, in which you can go ahead and put pictures or whatever else you wish to do with these pages. And of course over here we're going to have the full illustration, and as you will see, there's a lot of details to this. You know, I've had so many people tell me, number one, they just love the colors of everything that, pretty much everything that I share with you out there, and there's always layers. You will find layers and layers of stuff that whenever you look at it again, and perhaps a third or a fifth time, you will always find something new that you did not catch the first time. And the ladies say it's always fun to see that they were like, oh, I didn't notice that we had a little heart here, or I didn't notice we had this part over here, like I said, the little bird or something over here hiding behind the straps. So that's always fun, and I love doing that. So over here again we have these two that gives you room for you to do whatever you would like in these. And so, and it's very steampunkish. And I remember while I was talking with Jenny about this collection that I wanted to make, I was like, I want to do steampunk, but I want to take it in a totally new direction. Has anybody ever done cutesy steampunk? And she couldn't come up with anything that she has seen, and I have never seen a cutesy steampunk, because steampunk is I've always seen steampunk that has been grungy and excuse me, for adults only, and you know, that type of thing and very dark and everything. And so I think it's fun taking it in a different direction. So I included the cute toddlers that y'all just absolutely love, and that you will find in this page over here, in which you have the girl. She's the big sister, and she's pointing at her siblings, and she has 3 brothers and a little kitty cat. And I thought that was fun to add a little steampunk kitty cat. And of course, my son, who loves trains since he was a toddler, he says, "Mama, you can't do steampunk without adding trains." And of course, I had to add a train. And this is supposed to be my daughter pointing at her brother. So that's Elena and that's Vincent when they were little, because they had Vincent had blonde hair when he was a toddler, just like his father. His father was born with blonde hair as well. But yeah, so we have this. And here's another one. Like, I love adding colors that go chick-pow or boom, pop, poo, you know, something that's right at you. I just love the intensity of color. And because my son loves trains and he loves the color yellow, I decided to go ahead and do this very golden, rich yellow in the steampunk collection that you could also use like for fall projects. So I thought that was fun doing that. So we have these sheets over here. And over here, I decided to add some gnomes, and these gnomes have their eyes open, as you can see, and there's all sorts of mechanical stuff, and a lot of fun stuff that you will see throughout the page. So I thought this was fun to make. Now here is another one. It gives you more of I tried to make it a little bit feminine, but not too feminine here, because we have the flower backgrounds and we have the swirly designs and everything. If you look at the background over here, and over here too, what I tried to do was this ombre type color, because it starts one color and then it shifts, and then it shifts again to a brighter blue over here. So I hope that the camera picks up on that. Well, the winner will be able to see what I'm referring to. And of course, we have the little bird here behind a clock and a gear, and over here we have this beautiful rose, but it's very thorny looking, you know, that's for the steampunk feel of it. And over here we have the very same background, except that with that ombre thing, I decided to go ahead and bring out more of that blue here, since we're looking at the skies and everything, because we have these hot air balloons. Excuse me. And so we have more toddlers over here. We have 2 girls, they're friends, and they're working on a project. And she's got, oh my gosh, you gotta check out BBZ Crafts project. She made this, and it's like, wow. Anyways, I will go ahead and leave you the links to everybody in our design team in the description down below. But this project I had to pick my jaw off the floor, okay? It was wow. Alrighty, so we have this sheet over here. We got 2 of those. And these guys are everybody's favorites. Because she's got a little bit of an attitude. Not an attitude, but like, I'm the boss and this is her little brother type of thing. And it was very fun to create this. I just love that look of her, and she's wearing like this double hat type of thing, you know. It's just kids having fun playing dress up in a steampunk genre. So you get that. And over here, this is the same as this one minus the kids. And this part over here, just to give you a little bit of room to add pictures and stuff, however it is that you would like to use it. And over here, this guy was a lot of fun too. Excuse me. He, of course, he is going to work on a big project. As you can see, he's got his motor thing back here, and he's ready to torch something. And this is his friend over here with the big ears. the elf. Excuse me. And they're standing right outside his steampunk house. So this was a lot of fun too to make. And of course over here we're gonna get kind of like the same with a little bit different. Over here we're gonna get just the gears and of course room for pictures and stuff. And go ahead and bring this. And over here what I decided to do, I decided to go ahead and bring forward the illustrations of all these cute toddlers that I have, but I wanted you to be able to use these in either you can use it as a page or you can just cut it like so by the squares, or you can just fussy cut around them and use these elsewhere. So that was my intention with this design here. And you're gonna get a page of toddlers, and I love her stance. She's like, okay, here I am. She looks lost. She's like, what am I supposed to do? Okay, so the video cut off somewhere in there, and I'm so sorry about that, but I think you got most of it. And if you're curious as to what the other pages look like, just go ahead and hop on over to my website and you will see the total flip through right there. So this is what the final project looks like, and I went ahead and added a D here. Now I do have to explain what happened over here. It was a boo-boo, so I had to go ahead and reinforce this page. This is just glue that I'm gonna have to erase. And so here we have some metal. I just love the metal. And over here too, and these are some really cute beads that I made a video on on how to use, how to do this with the beads. It was a lot of fun. I just love beads. I love working with beads. And we have more metal accents here and another metal accent there. And this is the closure. Just a regular closure. And over here I decided to add more metal and double bow this and everything. It was a lot of fun to make this. So here is the flip through. We have this page over here and this page over here, and each one of these pages is going to have a little metal number there. It is removable. You can always remove it, but I'm not going to do that right now. And so here we have it like this, and over here we have a couple of tags that I made for you. This one's a little bit bent, but over here we have another metal that's glued on there, and you can go ahead and add your tags in there. And over here's another page and another page, and you'll see that each and every single one of these pages has some sort of metal accent, and I think it came out really, really cute. And you can use this actually if you don't want to use it as a brag book or as a photo album. I think that you can also use it to jot down your your passwords. If you want to keep all of your passwords in one safe place, that they're going to be written down on these while you admire the steampunk illustrations. So we have these two on the owl, and over here we have our little boy here and another sheet here, and again you'll see the fleur-de-lis, and that's page 5. Yeah, these little metal tabs are numbered, and over here we have this part accentuating the door. That's page 6, and this is going to be a little bit, you could flatten it if you wish, but I'm just going to leave it like so. I like it with dimension, but it's up to you, whoever wins this. So that's page 7, and here is page 8, and as you can see, this is the other part of the reinforcement for that. And so it's a really simple, very simple closure, and it's got a little rhinestone bead spacer there. So this is what you're gonna win, and of course I will add a couple of more things to this prize package. And let's go ahead and check out who the entries are, and let's see who wins this. Okay. Okay, so I'm gonna have to make the video this way so that you can see how I choose the winners. So there were a lot of comments left. There were 2 videos that you could basically enter, and and in both videos you have the rules for you to look through. And so excuse me, and not a lot of people followed the rules in the first video, although there were quite a few comments. So I'm sorry about that. You have to follow the rules. You have to check the video, the giveaway rules in the description. I do mention that in my videos, and it's always right there in front of you when you're watching my video. You just have to check out, read the rules in order to enter and be considered for the giveaway. So, and if you don't see your name there, is simply because you did not follow the rules. So we have 13, and I've already gone to the generator here. So I'm going to go ahead and put 13, and then we're going to generate. Okay, so now we're going to go ahead. Oh my gosh, she won my last giveaway. Yvonne Alviso, and you can enter. She entered on the first video, and she also entered in the second video. Yay! Congratulations, Yvonne. Thank you so very much for all the love and for being such a loyal subscriber. Gosh, you've been following me almost since day 1. Okay, now, congratulations, Yvonne. I have your address, I believe. I still have it, and I will go ahead and send this out to you this week, okay? And I can't wait to show you next month's collection. I was so excited about it. It is a total 180 from Atelier. Okay, so I hope that y'all love it just as much as I loved working on it for you. And as a matter of fact, I was so excited about this new collection for next month that I've already completed all of my giveaway projects. I couldn't stop because I loved it so much. So, so if you didn't win this time around, hey, just hang in there because there's a giveaway going on each and every single month, and you never know what else I come up with. Another giveaway. Oh gosh, I can't talk today. My throat is just killing me. Okay, have a wonderful week, everybody. God bless. Bye-bye.